Turnips, carrots, kale, Swiss chard, cabbages were a total fail. My garden went from lush, vibrant, having crops ready for me to pick to being buried under snow in under 48 hours. But that didn't stop me from growing fresh fruit, so I'm going to show you how I'm still doing it. So this is what I left in the ground before the snowstorm came. Large turnips, carrots are still in there, greens are still there. Over here in Minnesota, the garden doesn't have to end just because the snow has fallen. It really just simply moves indoors. So we have started microgreens, and I'm going to show you my harvest. I left all of this in the ground. So we're going to see after the snow melts, is any of this harvestable still? So make sure you're subscribed to see. Alright, whose tracks do you see? I feel like for sure there's a bunny, but there's also something else walking in here, I feel like. So let me know if you recognize, like that one. What is that? Is that the bunny still? Let me know in the comments below. Fresh tracks are a really good way to get the kids out in the garden with you. If you've missed my video talking about gardening with children, check it out after this one. There's the Napa cabbage. It still looks really green, but I don't know if it's pickable anymore. Huge thank you to all of the channel members. Your contributions every month, 99 cents is our membership, that's the lowest tier. Help me get the microgreen seeds, experiment with new things like the Pro Mix, have books to talk about. We're going to keep talking and sharing about the garden even though it's wintertime. So if you'd like to become a member, find the join button, look at all the perks that you get. There's all kinds of extra content for members in that section. Look at this harvest of sunflower microgreens. I love to top my wild rice soup with these. These are also good on sandwiches or omelets. They are nutty and fabulous. Let me know in the comments below, have you tried microgreens and what should we grow next? I have a live stream where I showed what we are starting for this week's round, but microgreens go quick, so we can start a new batch every 2 weeks, and I want to hear from you. What are we going to grow? This was a type of brassica mix. Like, I know for sure we had kale that we started in this one, and it was just as tasty. We're going to have a future live stream talking about winter sowing, so if that's interesting to you, make sure you are subscribed to get notified when that live stream comes out.